Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets and accessories. Today, we're diving into the Ubiquiti UniFi 6 long-range access point. Let's see what makes this piece of networking gear stand out from the crowd. First things first, let's talk about speed and coverage. The UniFi 6 LR access point boasts lightning-fast 802.11 AX Wi-Fi technology, delivering up to 3000 megabits per second wireless speeds over both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies. Whether you're streaming HD videos, gaming online, or running a business, this access point ensures you have the bandwidth you need. But what sets this apart is its long-range capabilities. With its powerful antennas and advanced MU-MIMO and OFDMA technologies, the UniFi 6 LR can cover large areas with ease. From office buildings to outdoor spaces, you can count on a strong and stable connection throughout. Setting up the UniFi 6 LR is a breeze. Thanks to its intuitive interface and comprehensive device configuration, you can have your network up and running in no time. Plus, with remote firmware upgrading, managing your network is as easy as a few clicks. But wait, there's more. The UniFi 6 LR offers a range of features to enhance your networking experience. From customizable guest hotspots to detailed network user management, you have full control over your network's design, architecture, and privacy. Now, you might be wondering about compatibility. While this product is designed for use in the US, it can easily be adapted for international use with the right adapter or converter. In conclusion, the Ubiquiti UniFi 6 LR access point is a powerhouse when it comes to wireless networking. With its blazing fast speeds, extensive coverage, and user-friendly interface, it's the perfect choice for homes, businesses, and outdoor environments alike. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, stay connected.